Now, President Rodrigo Duterte has approved the extension of the enhanced community quarantine in Luzon. The extension comes amid an expected surge in cases as the country ramps up its testing capabilities. The task force earlier said at least 5 factors were considered in its decision to extend the Luzon lockdown. Those factors include data on COVID-19 cases in the country, the capacity of the healthcare system, and the Philippine economy.